Hello, my name is Isaiah Barbora. I am from Auburndale, and I do my schooling purely online because I'm pretty far, and I like to self-pace, do it when I want. I'm going for software development currently, and I am on my last semester. I take this class, winter classes next in the spring semester, and then I will be done, and hopefully get a job. And once I get a job, I want to take a couple classes here and there just to kind of keep up because the IT industry moves very fast. So you gotta keep up with what's the latest and newest thing. I also like to play video games. Got lots of them. Into retro new stuff. I also like to work on vehicles, just work on mechanic stuff in general. I grew up on a farm, so that's where I learned a lot of my skills from. Like I used to work on the tractors and all kinds of tillage equipment or whatever else, and also the pickups we have there. I've also driven semi and worked on the semis, so I'm pretty well versed